Hi everyone, and in this video I'll be telling you how can you answer the question from the previous year English 2024 सेट 2। क्वेश्चन है हमारा लेटर का, तो जिसमें हमें क्वेश्चन गिवन है कि यू आर सौम्या और सोहम लिविंग एट दिस अपार्टमेंट एंड यू विश टू टेक अप 3-week summer course in baking after finishing your class 10th board exam. Write a letter in about 120 words to the principal of excellent cooking, Block D, Mahesh Enclave, seeking information about the course structure, course duration, fees, class timing, and job training, etc. So you have to guys start with your address or the address given in the sender's address basically. After that you have to enter the date and the principal, excellent cooking, and after that the address of the excellent cooking, and then after this guys you have to enter the sir and ma'am. After that you can start the body of the letter. I am Soumya or Soham, a residence of the Prashant Lok. I have just finished my class 10th board exams and I am interested in your 3-week summer baking course. Could you please provide details about the course? I would like to know what topics are covered, how long the course lasts each day, and the total cost. I am also keen to know if there's any on-the-job training included. Information about the class timing would be also helpful. Thank you for your time and consideration. Yours sincerely, and then you can write the sender's name which is given in the question. So yep, that's how you can answer this question. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video to learn.